Hey there, Ram School, how are you doing? And welcome back to our channel Rise Above Mystery. Welcome to an exciting journey through the darkest corridors of government secrecy. I'm your old but gold host, and today we are embarking on an extraordinary odyssey to unveil the enigma of 10 government hidden experiments that remain banned for their violent secrets. The secrets we'll uncover are deeply unsettling, so brace yourself for a gripping exploration. If you are captivated by the mysterious that lurk in the shadows, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you won't miss out our next exciting adventures. So without wasting time, let's rise above mystery. Number 1. The MK Ultra Mind Control Project. Our odyssey commences with the haunting tale of the MK Ultra Mind Control Project. In the shadowy depths of the Cold War, the CIA delved into the darkest realms of the human psyche. Unbeknownst to most, unsuspecting victims became subjects of harrowing experiments involving mind-altering substance and psychological torture. The repercussions of MK Ultra still echo through history. Number 2. The Philadelphia Experiment. Next, we delve into the perplexing enigma of the Philadelphia experiment. In 1943, the USS Eldridge allegedly vanished into thin air during a naval experiment. Classified technology, teleportation, and unintended consequences, this story is a riddle that continues to intrigue and mystify. Number 3. Operation Paperclip. Operation Paperclip emerged as our third revelation. It's a shocking chapter in history where Nazi scientists, some with sinister past, were quietly recruited by the US government after World War II. What horrors did they bring with them, and how did they shape post-war America? Number 4. The Human Radiation Experiments. We now uncover the haunting history of the Human Radiation Experiments. These classified experiments involved innocent subjects subjected to deadly doses of radiation in the name of scientific progress. The ethical breaches and long-lasting consequences of these experiments are chilling. Number 5. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study. Our journey led us to the tragic Tuskegee syphilis study, a dark chapter in medical history. For decades, African American men were deliberately denied treatment for syphilis, all under the watchful eye of the US government. The impact of this unethical experiment continues to reverberate. Number 6. Project Stargate. The sixth revelation takes us into the realm of psychic espionage with Project Stargate. Remote viewers attempted to spy on enemy nations with their minds. Were they successful, or were these psychic experiments doomed to failure? Number 7. The Montauk Project. Our journey ventures into the shadowy Montauk Project, where rumors of time travel, mind control, and even extraterrestrial encounters swirl. What secrets lie hidden beneath Montauk, and how much of it is rooted in truth? Number 8. The Edgewood Arsenal Experiments. Next, we unveil the nightmarish Edgewood Arsenal experiments, where military personnel became unwilling test subjects subjected to a cocktail of chemicals. The long-lasting physical and psychological effects of these experiments remain a haunting legacy. Number 9. The Plum Island Biological Warfare Research. Plum Island, our ninth revelation, was a hub for dangerous biological warfare research. Did these experiments unleash threats we are still unaware of? What lurks up beneath the surface of this enigmatic island, and what dangers remain hidden? Number 10. The Unethical Human Cloning Project. Our final revelation is the unethical human cloning project, a tale of scientists pushing the boundaries of ethics and morality. What happened to their cloned creations and what ethical dilemmas do these experiments continue to raise? There you have it, dear Ram Squad, 10 government hidden experiments that still cast like shadows over our history. These dark secrets serve as chilling reminder that the pursuit of knowledge sometimes comes at a devastating cost. As we conclude our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and share this video with fellow seekers of truth. Join us in our relentless quest for answers here on Rise Above Mystery. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and always rise above mystery.